Marikina is now known for trendy cafes and restaurants, specifically this side of Marikina, Lilac Street. Pero kung na-try mo na lahat dito and you're looking for someplace else, tara, I'll bring you to a place, to a hidden place, just few minutes drive away from here. So the first thing you'll notice when you arrive here, a literal mountain view. It's the kind of place where you actually slow down and enjoy your food. Now here's what makes NOMOM different. But by the way, NOMOM literally means no mother, meaning 100% plant-based, no animal products, no guilt. So they bake real sourdough every single day. And it's not the sourdough you'll find in the supermarket and other cafes na gumagamit ng commercial yeast. This is slow fermented, artisanal sourdough, the kind that's better for digestion. And yes, you can even take home their whole sourdough loaves and basil pesto jars. But the real surprise? The prices. The meals are all under 200 pesos. You can choose from their rice meals like bistec Tagalog, bibimbap, or pasta dishes such as their best-selling pesto and creamy baked macaroni with cheese made of potatoes, nuts, and carrots. And of course, you can pair your meal with coffee and dessert. So if you want to check this out, I'll put the exact location below. And to order the breads and sourdough, find all the details in the comment section. They've also opened a new branch conveniently located near Riverbank Mall in Marikina.